Ethanol biofuel. What is ethanol biofuel? Ethanol biofuel is a renewable fuel that is made from many different plant materials, also known as biomass. Bioethanol is a liquid biofuel that is produced through ABE fermentation of several different types of feedstock, such as corn, soybeans, wheat straw, wood chips, and most recently, microalgae. How is ethanol produced? Most of the ethanol biofuel that is produced around the world is made by fermenting the sugar and starches of grains such as corn, barley, and the sugar and sugar cane, and even sugar beets. Ethanol can be produced from the biomass by the hydrolysis and sugar fermentation process. Economic impact of ethanol biofuel. With ethanol biofuel production steadily increasing, it increases jobs in populated areas where employment is needed. Biofuels may reduce some pollutant emissions. Ethanol, in particular, can ensure complete combustion, reducing carbon monoxide emissions. Impact of ethanol biofuel on the carbon footprint. Ethanol is likely at least 24% more carbon intensive than gasoline. Ethanol emits less carbon dioxide than their fossil fuel counterparts. Resulting land use changes to grow corn along with processing and combustion. Development status. Over time, ethanol biofuel plants continue to be concentrated in the Midwest. Not only is it mostly found in the Midwest, but 90% of the ethanol is transported by train or truck. Due to 2019 reports, 14.6 billion gallons were consumed in the United States. As time passed, more and more ethanol biofuel was produced and transported across the United States. Steps that should be taken next. With ethanol being made from plant starches and sugars, an increase in corn could help out the production of ethanol in the long run. Intermediates such as crude bio oils, sugars, and other chemical building blocks must be upgraded to produce the finished product. This step can either involve biological or chemical processing. Proposed plan of action if funding was available. More plants should be built in order to increase production. Reuse of the same land along with the increased soil carbon sequestration. Communication of ethanol biofuel. It is climate friendly that reduces greenhouse gas emissions by 43%. Ethanol biofuel is budget friendly, and ethanol has been in use for the past 40 years. By now, most people behind the wheel have used ethanol fuel for the majority of their life. Ethanol is a renewable fuel due to the fact that it is produced from biomass. It burns more cleanly and completely than gasoline or diesel fuel. References.